our second annual event, and we are so excited to team up again with the LA Times. We have over 24 restaurants here, many from Costa Mesa, which is a fabulous culinary destination, and tons of spirits. So plenty for everyone to come and enjoy regardless of what your taste may be. You know what, we think it's really important to tell people about Costa Mesa and the culinary diversity that we have here. We have TV chefs, stars that come to Costa Mesa to open up their restaurant. Amar Santana with Vaca was runner-up with Food Network's Top Chef. So we're really excited to have him tonight. You know what, they're gonna have such a great time here. They're gonna see Vaca here, they're gonna see Mastro Steakhouse here, they're gonna see Crack Shack, Terrace by Mix Mix, Tackle Box. There's so many fabulous restaurants. They're gonna definitely come back and want more.
I work for a company called Spa Girl Cocktails. We're a ready-to-drink cocktail company. We're the cleaner cocktail, no artificial flavors or ingredients. We offer 2 different flavors, pear and cucumber. We are 48 calories per serving, only 1.5 grams of sugar for each serving. We're keto-friendly, Atkins-friendly. We're only 1 point on Weight Watchers, and we're delicious.
My name is Chris Castillo, and I'm the general manager of Verde Kitchen here in Costa Mesa. The food we're selling today, we have our smoked chicken. We smoke 4 hours, alderwood chips, and then we deep fry it in lard. There's really no seasoning on the chicken before it goes in the fryer, so all the flavor you're getting is from the smoke. And then we seal it with the deep fry, so it's really juicy, really tender meat.
好吃，非常的脆，真好，闻一闻。Costa Mesa 发现了本场最长的队伍哦，大家看我身后，讲。这一家的这个汤位名字叫Gas's World Famous Fried Chicken。OK， 是个很长的名字，就像它的队伍一样长。然后我们大概是抱着吃货的心态排了1个小时的队，终于拿到了我们手上的这份战利品。到底它的这个炸鸡有什么魔力呢？据说啊，它连续很多年被各家的这个旅游杂志啊，然后时尚杂志啊、美食家杂志啊评为这个美国最好吃的炸鸡。然后同时呢，它就是在全美国各地有开店，而且不仅是在美国，据说在中国和南美洲也开店了。所以我看着眼前这个有一点对我来讲庞然大物的东西啊，我打算尝一尝它到底魅力在哪里，让这么多人愿意花1个小时就为了这么一块炸鸡。皮呢是非常脆的，颜色呢也很饱满，有一点棕棕的颜色，而且不是很焦。让我尝一下。可以说真的是把这个辣味道都融合到这个鸡肉里面，哇！我排着1个小时没有白排。
So my name is Amar Santana. I'm the chef owner of Vaca Costa Mesa, and today we have the Taste of Costa Mesa. I am serving a beautiful fideuà paella with clams, chorizo, saffron aioli, and we also featuring a beautiful jamón ibérico from Spain. The ferment kind is freaking amazing. Acorn-fed pigs, dried for 3 years, brought here from Spain. It's the best piece of prosciutto you could ever have in life. So Vaca is a Spanish tapas restaurant that we opened 4 years ago here in Costa Mesa. I mean, the best steaks that we have here in Costa Mesa, you can find at Vaca. And then we have traditional Spanish tapas like pan con tomate, pulpo a la gallega. All the stuff you can find in Spain, you can find it here in Costa Mesa. So you no longer have to drive all the way to LAX to go to Spain to get real authentic Spanish cuisine. So you can do it all here.
halal chicken restaurant. We started in New York City as a food cart. We opened our first store in Costa Mesa about 4 years ago. We have 9 different locations right now. Our famous white sauce is a creamy, dairy-free aioli, really delicious with everything that we have here. Our falafel, our rice, our gyro, our chicken. It goes well with all our food. It's really delicious.
这个活动完全体现出 Costa Mesa 的城市性格，多样、丰富、热情、百变。Costa Mesa 不仅有自然美景和包罗万象的城市风光，还有多种多样、充满创意的各式美食。然而 ，Costa Mesa 带给我们的更加不仅于此。
You know what? Costa Mesa is a great destination. We are in Orange County, California. We have a great local airport, the John Wayne Orange County Airport, that's really close to us. But when you come to our city, you're going to experience the great culinary diversity that we have here, but you're also going to experience the very best shopping that California has to offer. We have South Coast Plaza, the international shopping destination, which is home here right in our city. We have the Lab and the Camp. We have the Triangle. We have the OC Mix. So regardless of the type of shopping that you're looking for, you're going to have a fabulous time here. And of course, don't forget, we're called the City of the Arts. Costa Mesa is the City of the Arts. So across the street, we have Segerstrom Center for the Arts, where you can take in a Broadway show, a musical, see the ballet. So there is tons to see and do here, regardless of whenever you come to visit us. Of course, you know, South Coast Plaza is home here in Costa Mesa to us. So guests are going to expect live music, entertainment. They're going to be having great promotions throughout the plaza at South Coast Plaza during the Chinese New Year. So definitely something for everybody. It's going to be very special. They do it every year. So we're ready to host a bunch of visitors to come celebrate the New Year with Costa Mesa.